Alright guys, thank you for joining the channel. I've been looking up videos on YouTube how to clean an Alcantara steering wheel, and quite honestly some people are doing the most and being super difficult, where you have to buy a product and a special applicator and all that stuff. Well, I'm going to show you a simple solution where all you need excuse me, or all you need is a dishwasher liquid and a cloth, a black cloth, and maybe a toothbrush just for the final touches. There you go. So let's get this going. All right, first you're gonna just take this cloth and dip it in this solution here. And literally this is just soap and water. So we're gonna go ahead and get that ready. Okay. What you're gonna do is you're simply just gonna grab it and gently go back and forth. You could be firm with it if you want. I like to kind of be just firm enough and a little gentle, so I'm going to just keep doing this all around the steering wheel, and then I'm going to show you the results, okay? Whole steering wheel, and I went ahead and did the shift knob, and then I went inside, rinsed off the soap, soaked it, and now I'm going to go over it again like this, just to get the soap off, okay? I don't want to make this video too long, so just kind of gently wipe it, you know, press on it, get the soap out, and go like this a lot to get that texture back, and then go just hit it with a used toothbrush. Make sure there's no toothpaste on it, FYI. Alright, so let me go ahead and finish this up and I'll show you the results. Light is getting low, but the last step is just take a dry cloth and do the same thing until you've gone over it a few times, and then let it dry, and you will notice that it will come out looking pretty good. So if you want to clean your Alcantara, that's all you need to do and you'll be set. Enjoy the good feels, and if you want to keep it that way, wear gloves. If not, you got to do this once every month or two. Okay? Enjoy. Okay, this is the next day. Let's take a look at this. The texture feels good. I don't know if you guys can see this. This feels good too. There you go. Looks good to me. If you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and give a like. Consider subscribing.